What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. A berry fall look. I don't know what I'm calling this. That's why half my face is done, and I just feel weird when I don't wear a lipstick color like when I'm filming, so that's why I already have the lip shade on. But I was inspired by this girl that I started watching. Side note, I'm drinking iced coffee, and this is like my new obsession. I came up with it on my own, but I'm sure other people get it. But I was trying to find like another drink that doesn't have as much calories, because I feel like all I do is drink Starbucks coffee. And so I wanted to try iced coffee because I know it's strong, but it doesn't have as much milk if you don't put milk in it. So I've been getting a grande iced coffee with 5 pumps or less of vanilla and just half and half, because it's more creamier than heavy cream. Just has like that weird taste to it. I don't personally like it. I think it's because I had this drink that was like my concoction drink that I came up with, and I put too much of that into the drink, and I'm like used to that taste, so now I don't like it. But anyways, babe got this for me, so thank you, baby, for getting this for me. This is my second one today, and it's 7 o'clock, but we're going to dinner, so I wanted to film this look before we go out, and I just did my face earlier. I took a shower and used purple shampoo, so my hair's up in a bun, currently drying, and it looks extremely silver because I left my shampoo in for a long time. I'm really living for the taste of pure coffee and not as much milk. Her name is Brianna Fox. I just started watching her, and I had to think of her name for a second. But she's absolutely beautiful. Like, honestly, I feel like I'm so close to the camera. But whatever. This is her Instagram, and I just started watching her like a month ago. But she posted a like Thanksgiving-inspired cranberry fall look, and that's I wanted to recreate by using my palettes. I'm trying to let my thing load. But she is just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I just love her. But I was inspired to do this look, and then I found my black eyeliner today when I was doing the closet. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, I'll list it here on the screen. I know why I zoomed in so much, because you can see my softbox. But I redid my whole entire closet, and I absolutely love it. I'm still working on it, so I have a little bit of stuff to do to it just to kind of touch it up and put the finishing touches on it. But anyways, I have 2 palettes that I'm going to be working out of today. Both of them are extremely dirty, because I mean, what beauty guru has that clean of makeup? This is the Morphe Dare to Create palette I'm going to be using, and then also, of course, the one and only Jaclyn Hill palette. So mainly my colors for my crease are probably going to be the top burgundy looking shades in the top of this palette. This palette has gone through, I'm just going to be using some of the outer like brown mauve shades. I don't even know. So yeah, on my face is exactly what I wore in my last makeup tutorial, so make sure you guys click that video. I'll leave it here at the top, or at the top right, I think. Maybe at the top right this way, or I will leave a link to it down below in the description box. Make sure you head over there and check out my new video on my first impressions. If you haven't seen that video first, then you would not know what is on my face. But without further ado, if you guys want to see how I create a very fall look on my eyes, then go ahead and just keep watching. Clean my makeup brushes per usual, because when does Brittany ever clean her makeup brushes? But I am going to go ahead and start. I have somewhat of a clean brush that I'm going to be using. I mean, it's not clean, but this is like a normal transition color like brush. I'm still going to use the normal colors that I really love to use as my transition shade, and then I will bring the berries in with this caramel looking color in the middle of this Dare to Create palette, because it's just like one of my favorites. Like all 4 of these honestly are like my most used ones. I don't know why this palette looks like it's been through hell and back, because honestly I've only used it like a handful of times. So why not? And this is actually a different lip color on my lips. Normally I'm using my Kokie, but I'm actually wearing a NYX liquid lip liner. And liquid lip liner, that's definitely not a thing. The NYX retractable lip liner I'm wearing on my lips, and then I just put chapstick on and blend it together. There's no lip color on, it's just my liner. I think this lighting is a little bright. There we go. Then I'm going to go in with this big fluffy brush. I used the shadow on here before when I was trying out this look a while back before I watched her video. Right here. And then I'm going to go in with this one, which is a little bit deeper. But I want to start with that berry shade first. And I'm just going to start working that in my outer corner and kind of bringing it inwards. It is very, very pigmented, but it comes off a little bit more pink. But I still really like it, because once you blend the darker berry shades in, it just all blends seamlessly, like honestly. first, because this one definitely looks a little bit more pink, but we're gonna deepen it up, so you just don't even worry, girl. With my favorite like outer corner brush, and I'm just gonna start working these two darker shades right here into my crease, my outer crease. Sorry that my nails always look super busted in these videos. I literally work all the time and I'm using like chemicals, and my ass does never use gloves, so my nails always take the beating. This is the Lexi 239 brush, and I'm just gonna take this and use the deepest purple in the palette to really deepen it up. Than I was thinking, so I'm just kind of blending, and then I'm gonna add a deeper shade to it. By the way, the lip liner I'm using is the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Natural. This is the one that's on my lips right now that I did not tell you guys about. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this red shade in on my lid, and it's the outer red shade right here, and it's just really pretty. Like, honestly, I love the formula of these shadows. Spray, setting spray. I literally feel like a new person once I put setting spray on. Okay. My brush also, Avi, because it needs to, and then I'm just gonna pop that shade right on my lid. Just to add a little bit of a foiled shade. That on my face. Bright liner. And I'm just going to apply it on my lower waterline. I feel like this light is just a little too much. Maybe it is too much. Curl my lashes and then apply lashes. Yeah, this is definitely way more pink than I thought. It's the best feeling when you take your bun out of your hair being wet. Or out of your hair being wet. Look at that color, you guys. Honestly. Joico purple shampoo. You guys are awesome. Or Joico shampoo is awesome. So, I'm going to zoom you guys out a little bit. So everything looks good. I really love the way that the shadow came out. It is a little bit like, whoa, like, because I never wear shades like this. But I did get a little bit of fallout on my cheek. So other than that, I think the looks pretty well. I like the way that it came out. It's definitely not as berry as I thought it would be. I was hoping for a little bit more like dark mauve-y shade. And this is more like pink. But I feel like it's still like burgundy enough to pass for fall. But I don't really have any other colors because I don't have like a million different palettes. So with that being said, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed another yet tutorial. I am just on top of these tutorials, you guys. But yeah, so I really love the way it came out. I'm just a little bit like with the color because I'm not really into, well, I feel like I'm so extra when I wear shades like this, but I think that it turned out really, really good. And yeah, thank you guys as always so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed another makeup tutorial, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys do like how it came out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you guys don't miss out on any new videos that I'm posting. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.